Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about various types of accounting vouchers. So to create the accounting voucher, first go to the gateway of Tally and in transaction category select the accounting vouchers. Once you have created accounting vouchers, there are 6 type of main accounting vouchers. Let's see just name of the accounting vouchers of various type. In the right hand side of window you can see various type of vouchers available. One type of voucher is the contra, second is the payment, third is the receipt, fourth is the general, fifth is the sales, and sixth is the purchase. So this is the various type of vouchers. Currently you can see only payment, receipt, general, these all type of voucher. You have selected contra type of voucher, so it is disabled and all other vouchers are enabled. So as per your need you can use various type of voucher. Currently we are selecting receipt. When we are starting company, when we start our company, capital comes from some resources. So to entry that resources and get receipt of that entry of capital, we can create receipt type of voucher. Here you can see receipt number 2 because I have already created one receipt voucher, so this number is by default 2, and here we can see the voucher name which is the receipt. If you select another voucher, then you can see here voucher name and it will be changed. Now in which account you want to enter your capital, so enter. Either you can select cash or ICICI bank account. Here list of ledger accounts are given, so you can select any of your ledger which is created earlier. So I am selecting ICICI bank account. Currently available balance of my ICICI bank is the 46,000. So this is my currently available balance which is credited. Now I want to receipt, then I can select any one of this ledger account which is Gujarat branch account, and I can also enter the amount. I am entering 50,000 credited and press enter. You can also give check number which is the description for the receipt of accounting voucher. So I am entering 454554 and press enter. So this voucher is created. So this is how we can create a receipt type of voucher. In next tutorial we will see contra type of voucher and use of the contra type of voucher. Thank you.